Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video we will continue from the price action and candle formation training program. Okay, if you missed my last three videos, then you should go back to the channel. I've done the part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. Okay, so you can go back to the channel and check them out so that you will understand how it works. But of course we will continue from there. We've done that of the bearish aspect. We started the bullish aspect yesterday. How to identify the patterns, the candle patterns for the bullish market, and of course how to know when to go into the market. Okay, if you have been looking for an opportunity to know all this, then this is an opportunity to do so. So we will be checking the market together right away. Of course, before we go into that, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, this is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you just need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill on your demo account first before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And of course, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them off in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so now and turn on the notification bell to all notifications? That way you always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right away. Like I said, we are discussing on price action and candle formation, which is very important in having a successful trading activities. So let's quickly go straight to the charts. So right from here, just the way you have seen it, previous few days ago we discussed about the bearish patterns, and these are some of the bearish patterns that we discussed about, which are the shooting stars, bearish evening stars, engulfing candle, dark clouds, cover, then tweezer top. Okay, I explained to you that in most cases when you find some of these patterns at the resistance level, it shows that the next candle that should come beside them should be a bearish, should be an opportunity for you to sell in the market. Okay, so this is very important. And yesterday we started with the bullish pattern. The bullish pattern definitely should start from the support region. Okay, once you see any of this pattern around the support region, then it is an assurance that the market is going on a bullish trend, which is a buy trend. Okay, so which means you can buy into the market at that particular point. Okay, so yesterday we discussed about the shooting star, and we also discussed about the morning star, and definitely we also discussed about the engulfing candle. Okay, all these are very important in order for you to trade this asset successfully. So today we'll be looking at the bullish piercing line. Okay, here is a bullish piercing line. You're going to see, let's say the market was on downtrend before, it will get to a stage whereby these two candles will stand on their own. Okay, they will be looking in this form. Of course, the bearish candle will be, the body of the bearish candle will be a little bigger than the bullish candle that is created beside it. So it means that the next candle after that should be a candle that should go on a bull trend. So it should be a buy trend at that particular point. Okay, that is a piercing line. So right here is where you should start buying at that point, at this point. Okay, it is a place where you should start buying. So I'm going to read out what we have right here. So piercing line, when you see this, buy in the direction of the trend at the opening of the next candle, or when it made the criteria with the piercing line. Okay, so that is when you should start buying. Then of course we also have the bullish tweezer bottom. Okay, this is how it looks like. It will be having long wick under it. Okay, with the bearish one will come first, then the next one will be for the bullish one. Okay, once you see the bullish one popping out, then definitely the next candle after that should be an opportunity for you to buy at that particular point, because that is a bullish bottom. Okay, a bullish bottom will also appear at the support zone. Once it appears at the support zone, then definitely you should know that the next candle is an opportunity for you to buy into the market, so you can just take advantage of that, and it means that there won't be a breakout on the support zone at that position. Okay, so that is it. The only thing that can happen is you bouncing back into the market in order to buy your trend. Okay, so that is how it works. You should be able to identify um all these patterns on the chart. If you're unable to identify them, then you are yet to understand the art of trading. So this is what I'm going to ask you to do. I want you to go back to the chart, watch this video, all these videos for the what is it called, the bearish pattern, and also for the bullish pattern. Try to identify the patterns, and also go back to the chart and try to identify the patterns. For instance, if you are looking at the bearish patterns, let it be at the resistance level. When you see them at the resistance level, that is when you know that they are giving you the right information with what I am giving you in this video. And for the bullish pattern, it must also be at the support zone. This is one of the ways whereby you can know if there won't be a breakout on the support zone or below the support zone, or a breakout above the resistance level. Okay, so once you are able to see these patterns on the resistance level, definitely you should know that there won't be a breakout above the resistance level. Once you see on some of these patterns below the support region, let me give you an example so that you will understand what I'm trying to say with the breakouts issue. Okay, this is it. Let's say a market is going up like this, and you want to know if it will break out from this resistance level or not. Okay, once you have seen the pattern on this resistance level, then it means that there won't be a breakout above this resistance level, so you can go in there and sell at that particular point. That is, if you have seen the bearish pattern on it. The same thing is applicable to the bullish pattern. Okay, once you have seen the bullish candle pattern on the support zone, it shows that it won't break out from the support zone. It will lead into an uptrend. And if you should look at this, this is a pattern. Okay, this is a pattern that we are seeing. This is a bullish engulfing candle, and it is giving us an opportunity to buy into the market at that particular point. So definitely it shows that there won't be a breakout below the support region. So on the next candle, you should place your order. Once you place your order for buy, then definitely it's going to buy. Check it out. If you had placed your order right here after the close of that pattern, I mean the last candle that complete the pattern, you place your order at the tip, at the beginning of this bullish candle, then definitely check it out. It went up, came down, pulled back a bit, then still went back up, and right now it is at the resistance level. And this is 5 minute time frame, not 1 minute. This is 5 minute time frame, so which means it went up for a very long time. You can check it out. It went up for a very long time. So that is how to identify some of these things. So I will advise you to try to check out some of these patterns. Make sure you understand how it works, and of course make sure you are able to identify them on the chart. Once you are able to identify them on the chart, then you are good to go. Okay, you can practice with us today, practice over and over. Once you identify them, see if it's going to follow the trend or not. If it does, then you are good. If not, then let me know. Okay, we can discuss that together to see if truly you have really identified the right pattern for that. Okay, remember, for the bullish pattern, let it be at the support zone, while for the bearish pattern, let it be at the resistance zone. So once you are able to see these areas, then definitely you should be able to milk the market for a very long time. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right now and turn on the notification bell to all notifications? That way you always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.